Welcome back, my name is Devin Cook, and today I'm going to be giving you a bit of a real estate market update and discussing whether or not we are already in or are soon to be entering a buyer's market. And this question you'll probably see floating around the internet, as a lot of markets are seeing an increase in homes flooding the market. And the more homes we get entering the market, especially as we enter summer, will cause a lot of people to wonder whether now is a great time to sell or whether we could possibly be entering a buyer's market, and maybe the buyers will have the advantage for the first time in years. Right now, on average, and in some areas, we're seeing about a 15% increase in the amount of homes that are coming live on the market for sale. And in some areas, like in my market, we've seen almost triple the amount of homes on the market now versus what we've seen in the past couple of months. However, keep in mind that just because we're seeing sometimes triple the amount of homes on the market, that doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to be in a buyer's market or that we're in a buyer's market right now. Because how a seller's market versus a buyer's market is calculated is based off of the amount of months inventory available on the market. And basically, it's a ratio of how fast homes are coming on the market versus how fast they're selling. And what we typically look for is 6 months and above month supply is considered a buyer's market, and anything below 6 months supply is considered a seller's market. And so keep in mind that in a lot of hot market areas like Florida, Texas, Utah, and especially in some very desired neighborhoods, we've seen less than a 1 month supply of homes on the market, which is why we've been in such an extreme seller's market and homes have been getting multiple offers across the board. Now let me break down this number for you. What a 1 month supply of inventory on the market means that if there are currently 100 homes available on the market and every month we're seeing 100 homes sell within that same market, that means we have a 1 month supply of homes. Because if from this day forward no additional listings were to come on the market other than those 100 already there, then by the end of the month there would be 0 homes for sale because they would have already sold. So using that same example, if we wanted to see a buyer's market, or we wanted to know what a buyer's market would look like if we still had 100 homes selling on average every single month, then we would need to have 600 homes coming on the market every single month in order to have a 6 month supply of homes. So when you see in some hot markets, say triple the amount of homes coming on the market, that means we just went from 100 to 300. So definitely that's a lot of additional homes, but that's still only 3 months supply of homes, which doesn't put us in a buyer's market, but we're still very firmly in a seller's market in that situation, just not as extreme of a seller's market as we were a couple months ago. But if we also see less homes being sold every single month, then that's going to affect how quickly we see that buyer's market. Because if we go from 100 listings to 300 listings available every single month on the market, but instead of 100 being sold every single month, we're only seeing 50 sold every single month because maybe buyers are just exhausted and they're not wanting to pay these 5 or 6% interest rates, that would mean that with 50 homes selling every month and 300 coming on the market every single month, we're gonna have 6 months supply of homes on the market in that scenario. And in that scenario, we would be in a buyer's market. So to answer the question, are we in a buyer's market right now? The answer in a lot of hot markets is no. We're still in a seller's market. And in a lot of cases, like in my market, you're still having to compete with multiple offers in order to win a desirable home. However, if this trend continues and if we start seeing every single month more and more listings coming on the market, and especially if we see along with that a slowdown in the amount of homes that are selling every single month, then surely we could see a buyer's market coming sooner rather than later. But of course, I don't have a crystal ball, so I don't know when or if that's going to happen, and we're gonna have to just wait it out and see what happens. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions. If you're looking to buy a home and you need some help or you need some advice, I'm happy to get on the phone with you. And also let me know if you do like some of these shorter videos kind of breaking down market statistics. And as always, thanks for watching.